Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my classic size encourager layout, and I went ahead and redated. So we're doing the week of October 28th through November 3rd, and I have pre-chosen some stickers. I want to use the Womankind sticker books, and this is the multi-accessory pack. So I thought that I could do this pretty navy blue and teal color along with some pink, since there's pink already on the pages here. So let's go ahead and start laying some stickers down. So what I was thinking was Thursday and Friday are generally my biggest planning days for this is my social media planner. So I was thinking that I could take this Get Busy checkbox, and I think I'm going to put it right here. And then I was thinking that I could take the longer list sticker and put it at the beginning of the week, if I can get this straight. Okay. So then I was thinking I could take this one and put it over here, maybe on Tuesday. I generally just kind of fill in as I go for the week. There are certain things that I have pre-planned as far as social media and what videos I'm posting and when I'm editing and things like that. But, oh, I don't like those. See those lines showing through there? I'm going to go ahead and grab my white out and go ahead and white those out, because that's going to bother me this week. So let's just go ahead and get rid of those. But I generally, in all of my planners, I do like a before the pen sticker spread and then just kind of fill in as I go. That's just kind of the way it works for me. Once I decorate a spread, I don't generally add any stickers to it. Some people do exactly the opposite, so just do whatever works for you. But I like to have a pretty spread ready for me at the beginning of the week. It just kind of keeps me motivated to actually use my planners. So I'm going to cover up Random Acts of Kindness this week with this sticker that says, "Never forget your own worth," and it's crooked, of course. So I am going to white out these pink numbers too, because I can see them behind the sticker here. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. And try this again. I think I'm going to get rid of this kindness too, because it'll probably show through. Okay, so I'm going to start up here at the top and try to get this straight. Still a little bit crooked, but maybe it won't bother me too bad. Okay, then I chose, there's two different quotes here. This says, "Friends who slay together stay together," and this one says, "Beautiful girls." So I need to figure out where I'm going to put these. Now in this bottom box down here, I normally write my YouTube and Instagram stats. Not that it really matters, but I do like to keep track of it, just to kind of keep myself going, a little bit of encouragement. So I generally don't do a whole lot as far as social media on the weekends, other than have my videos post, but I generally have all that scheduled by Friday, so I don't really write a whole lot in there. Now I want to use this Beautiful Girls, but I'm not sure where I'm going to use it, so I may not use it at all. Okay, I thought this would be cute to put up here. It says, "Bring on the week." So I thought it would be cute just to kind of put in here. And then this just kind of ties in some of the pink that's already on the pages. If I didn't have so much pink on these pages, I would have gone with just these two colors. But since I've got pink on my pages, I felt like I needed to pull in some pink stickers too. Okay, so I'm going to put this important sticker on Monday. So, and when I'm writing in my planners, I don't just write in the boxes. I would honestly rather write on the page and not write in a box. So for me, these stickers are just pretty much for decoration, if I'm honest, because I don't need a sticker to write in my planner. So I'm just kind of placing stickers randomly, just trying to decorate the page. I thought this blue today sticker would be cute on one of these pink boxes. And I might want to see if I've got another one because I've chosen 2 pink boxes here. But I think that's cute there. I like pre-choosing my stickers because it just makes my spreads go a lot smoother. So I may start doing that. Now I think I'm going to put this pink box here that says today, and it's totally crooked. So let's fix that. Hopefully you guys are having a great Saturday, having a good weekend. And let's see, put this one here. Now, because these flowers these stickers have some of these colorful flowers in them, I'm going to pull in those colorful flowers a little bit all over the spread. You'll see how I do that in just a second. So I do have this one pink box left, and I may just, I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to use this little pink box. So there's 2 stickers here that I did not use, so I will put those back in my books in a little bit. Now I just want to go find some florals to just kind of make this spread cute. So I think I'm going to go with this pink one here, just to bring in some more pink, because over here I have a lot of navy and teal stickers, so I need to bring some of this pink floral into this side of the page. So I'm just going to cut this down, kind of down the center, to make it butt up against one of my boxes here. And then I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to have to get rid of those pink lines there. I still need to find my jelly roll. I have not found it. I mean, I know there's a couple places it could be, but I haven't really looked for it. So you can't find something if you don't look for it. I don't ever think about it until I sit down to record a video for you guys. Okay. Now what can I do with this? I think I'll just put it right here. I think it'll be cute here. Okay, and so I don't have, there's not a whole lot of stuff on here, but it does make the spread cuter, so that I am encouraged to use it throughout the week. And then I'm going to take, well, I was going to take this sticker and put it down here, but do you see there's a whole lot of this color? It's going to be a lot of this color down here. So I think I need to grab this one that has some blue in it and come down here with some of this blue and these other colors. So I'm not crazy about stacking similar colors one on top of the other. Now I need to get rid of this pink line here too, and this is where my jelly roll would really come in handy. So if you guys have a jelly roll pen, they do work better for whiting out lines like this. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to go grab it. Okay, now I feel like I still need a little something here. So let's see what I can find. I don't know that I'm going to find anything actually to go there. I could always put a Hello Weekend box over here, but that's probably going to be too much. Maybe I'll put, no, maybe I'll put this little one here. I don't know. We can try it. Let's put it here, and then let's put some flowers underneath it to just fill up this whole side. Let's do that. So let's grab a flower, and I want to use, I'm going to use this pink, And I'm just going to put it kind of in the corner here. And then I'm going to go with my X-Acto knife and cut out the edges there. Actually, I'll use my little slice tool. And this is probably not going to be straight. The struggle is real. I cannot cut straight. Alright, so let's pull this one up. Okay, and then let's do this side. See what we look like. Okay, yeah, that just makes it so much prettier right there. So that's probably going to be it for this spread. Let me just look at it real quick. Yep, I think that is very cute. So, and then I grabbed one of these little inserts out of this multi-accessory pack. It has all of these different little journaling cards. And what I thought I could do is just stick that in the center there and just jot some notes or something that needs to grab my attention for next week. So let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I'll show you what this week looks like. Sorry, that's loud. I am using the Encourager dashboards. So this is what this week, the current week, looks like in my social media planner. And then here's the one we just did. So if you guys like this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell on the side so you get notified anytime I upload. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.